Welcome to Replay NW. Today's lineup: electric scooters, luxury cars, and stunning supercar reveals. Hero Vida VX2 launch. Hero's electric brand Vida has launched the VX2 scooter in India. The base Go variant starts at just 59,490 rupees with battery on subscription. The Plus version is priced at 64,990 rupees under the same plan. Without the battery subscription, prices go up to 99,490 and 110,000 rupees, respectively. The Go offers a range of 92 kilometers with a 2.2 kilowatt-hour battery, while the Plus delivers up to 142 kilometers using a 3.4 kilowatt-hour pack. Both get removable batteries, fast charging, LED lighting, and connected smart features. Bentley's new logo plus concept tease. Luxury icon Bentley has updated its famous winged bee logo, the first redesign in years. This refreshed badge will debut on a new concept car, set to be revealed on July 8th, marking a bold new direction for the brand. Ferrari Amalfi revealed. Ferrari has taken the wraps off the Amalfi, its replacement for the Roma. Powering this elegant Grand Tourer is a 3.9-liter V8, producing 631 horsepower and a top speed of around 320 kilometers per hour. It brings back physical buttons by popular demand and retains the Roma's sleek silhouette. Range Rover Sport SV Black Edition. Range Rover has unveiled the Sport SV Black Edition, its most powerful sport model yet. Covered in gloss black detailing from grille to wheels, it features a 635 horsepower mild hybrid V8. It goes from 0 to 60 in just 3.6 seconds and includes cutting-edge features like 6D dynamic suspension and wellness-focused seating. Porsche 911 Carrera 4S facelift. Porsche has updated the 2026 911 Carrera 4S, now offered in Coupe, Cabriolet, and Targa variants. The all-wheel drive flat-six engine produces 480 horsepower, sprinting from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.1 seconds with the optional Sport Chrono package. That's it for today's updates. Which launch caught your eye? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Replay NW for daily automotive news and updates.